happy. That's what I came for.
Yeah, you won't see this. SF90 Spiders are right now very rare.
And I've never seen one.
Yeah. Alright, we just got this Urus off tow truck. The customer was in Vegas. He was driving on the Vegas Strip, having a good time, and apparently somebody threw a huge rock at his car or on the street or whatever. It was about this big, apparently, what he told me. And he tried to avoid it, but he ended up hitting it with the wheel. And he has 24-inch RDB 3-piece wheels, and running over anything that big is gonna cause tremendous damage. And yeah, you guys should check it out. We ordered a new wheel for him. The car just got towed, had zero gas, just died off the tow truck as well. So we're putting gas right now, but yeah. Unfortunately, RDB wheels are not indestructible. If you hit a big ass rock this big, you're gonna break it. The spoke is sticking out of the lid. It looks like it hit right on the outside. That's how it bent it so hard.
So we're about to go in the back and show you the build for the Range Rover, new Range Rovers 2023. We're putting on 24-inch wheels. Also, we did a full blackout on the car. It looks good. We have only one problem. We ordered emblems from Range Rover, and this is what we got. So it's a full-size Range Rover. It is not a Discovery. They sent us this, so we have a last-minute problem. So we're trying to see what we can do now. We have to get this car to the client's house today. It'll happen, but we might not be able to finish up the emblem. So it's probably not going to go to his house, because if it goes to his house, he's going to be pissed. But I'm sure he's a very understanding, nice customer, and this we have no control over because the dealer sent us the wrong emblems. So that's that. This car came out completely different for me. I think it's really nice. This thing has 24-inch wheels wrapped in Toyo tires. We blacked this thing out. There's not another color on this thing besides black. Windows, windshield, wheels, front grille already gray. We did black out as well. Custom center Range Rover caps and wrapped in Toyo tires, along with pretty much the whole car is blacked out. Looks good. And Vic's waiting to throw water on me, so I'm like a little bit paranoid. But yeah, other than that, only things that we didn't do are the emblems. The emblems have been ordered. We're gonna put gloss black emblems as well, so the Range Rover will be all in gloss black. So other than that, this car is ready, washed, detailed, ready to go to the customer's house. Water!
Water!
Hey, no.
Water.
It's not. It smells like alcohol. Yeah, my eyes are burning. Soap and water. It's not just. It's 108 degrees outside. We're trying to stay cool. Unfortunately, Sergio showed up with this damn, I don't know what that's about. It's like a tank of water inside. And it's like, it has pressure, so yeah, it's pretty bad. And of course, you know, sometimes we gotta have a little fun because it's really hot.
That was fun for you?
It's not bad, yeah. I feel like I'm in our raging waters.
Fastest car ever? So far it is. In the shop, yes. Fastest car in the shop.
I like those.
And you know how much this thing cost? If I told you, I'm gonna believe it. 4,500.
No, what?
License plate bracket.
Why?
Ask Ferrari, he will tell you why.
Is it because those are sensors?
No.
What is this?
License plate bracket.
Those are lights?
Yeah.
That's $4,500.
Yeah, because of Ferrari, that's why. It's not a Lambo. Because Lambo port says Volkswagen, Ferrari port says Ferrari.
All right, we are in the lovely SF90 Spider. This car is insane. You guys already know we love the SF90 Coupe, and the Spider, which is not even really released, we got our hands on. My good buddy Zane, who we have done his SF90 Coupe before, just purchased this car. He's gonna be letting go of his Coupe because obviously got the Spider. There's only like 2 or 3 Spiders in the country that I know of, and you have to be somebody to get one. And a lot of the guys that have them on order, they're coming in about 2-3 months. So we're gonna see more Spiders in about 2-3 months. But here's one right now, and this is not a flip. This is not a game. This is actual customer-owned car that is going to be completely transformed. This is not gonna be a regular just wheels, lowering, exhaust that we've done before. This is gonna get a full body kit, and a drastic one. Rift released the kit for this car. They haven't even done one yet. We're gonna be the first ones to do it, and it's on a Spider, so we're super excited about it. It's a black on black Spider, of course. We're gonna wrap it satin with a satin clear bra, so it's gonna be satin black with a lot of red accents, special wheels that we have never done before, lowering, exhaust, tune. We're gonna do everything to this SF90 Spider, and I'm very excited about it. I told my customer that too. We're both super excited. This came in a transport truck the other day. If you listened to our podcast, you would have heard us basically say, hey, the transport's here, and it included 3 cars, 3 crazy cars. This car, a coupe, and another wild Lamborghini. So we're truly excited about this car. We've been planning it for about a month, and I think that's what makes us really different. We're so passionate about it. We get excited for our customers. It's not always about the money or anything like that. It's about what we're gonna do to a brand new car that's nobody really has the balls to touch. So super excited. But yeah, right now I'm on a test drive. We're doing a before and after video for you guys. So you'll see the before of this car on this episode, and you'll see it after in about 1 to 2 weeks when we're done. So that's how we're gonna do this one. It has obviously the racing bucket seats, which on a convertible makes it even crazier. And obviously it's SF90, 1,000 horsepower. So that sheer acceleration in a convertible, I mean, you can't get anything better than this car, in my honest opinion. We're very excited about it. Sarkis is giggling like a little kid too. I've never seen him this excited about a car, so it's gonna be a fun one, guys. Stay tuned. Sarkis is in a very bad mood today.
Yeah, he fucked up.
Because about 20 minutes ago, we were releasing a wonderful McLaren that we worked very hard on, put our passion into it, our souls, and the customer came to pick it up, and he scraped the diffuser as he pulled it out of the driveway.
I could take out the car. Why not?
I'm pretty sure you guys watched the podcast. If you
Yeah.
guys didn't,
There's
the
like
car
8
that
scratches on
the
the
car
car.
that he scratched was this one.
No, let me show it to you. We just polished it. There was a scratch here. There was a scratch there. So don't blame it on me. It was a little bit dirt, so we just cleaned it with the compound.
Didn't you scrape the diffuser?
Bro, it wasn't a scrape. They make a big deal out of it. It was like it was a dirt. So we just cleaned it with the compound. That's it.
Did the diffuser hit the ground?
It didn't. If
It didn't scrape? It didn't scrape the ground?
No. That's the thing. It didn't.
It didn't scrape the ground.
No.
It didn't touch the ground.
No. Bro, how's it
Moses, come here. I'm gonna need Moses.
Okay.
Since he's
An honest man.
Come here. Okay.
Okay.
Did Sarkis hit the car on the bottom?
Yeah.
Okay, if I did. Okay, hold on. If I did.
No,
how's
he
it
went
po-
like this. He went like
No, no.
he went out correctly.
Okay.
He went out correctly.
He went out correctly, but and then he went like he turned right, and then it went flat down.
Flat down
So
and
if
it
you
scraped.
guys make a big deal, but none of you guys saw it. It wasn't a scrape.
The
We
ground
lifted. Bro, we
had
just
clear
lifted.
coat on it. Why did you guys clean it?
Because there was a dirt
From where?
from a ground.
So it had to touch the ground for it to get dirt,
Touch the
correct?
touching ground and scratching, that's a different story. You guys don't know.
So
Meaning
did
it's
they do
scratch.
clear coat or did they just clean it with the
No,
towel?
we just clean it with the towel and compound. That's it.
Scrape.
Well, it was a
scratch.
Scrapes?
Hit. It hit the ground.
No, it didn't. There was no scratch. I touched the ground, but there was no scratch. But this wasn't the one.
All the way
No,
through.
it wasn't.
All the way
I can't
through.
tell you what was the scratch. See, they don't even know what was the scratch. I can't even show
This
you.
is where you hit the rear diffuser.
No.
Customer's coming in 20 minutes. He'll say on camera that you hit my car.
Okay.
He'll straight up say you hit my car. Because you told me, why'd you and Sarkis drive my car?
Look, I saved the picture and video. So next podcast, next one, I'm gonna show it to him.
Next
so
podcast.
I'm gonna show it to him. It wasn't even a scratch. They make a big deal out
Why
of
don't you
it.
show us the picture now?
No, I'm gonna just show him.
No, because he doesn't have it. He's
I
going
have
to Photoshop it.
No,
He's going to hire someone to make a fake picture.
no.
Is one of the cars a McLaren, the expensive one? Oh, you fat fuck. And Jenny Craig patient.
Jenny Craig patient.